Hello, this is Renovation Update, day 13. Let's take a look around and see what's been done. So in the bathroom, some of the toilet has been taken away. The piping has been worked on over here and also down over there. That's been added, which is very nice for the shower. And then the electrical, more wiring has been done over here with places here for wires to run and stuff to be connected. And this will be some plug points over here. And also on this side, we've got some places for plugs to go. That's looking good. More wires. That'll be a plug point. I nearly missed it. Right over there. What else? Let's come around this way. So over here, they're working on the wall over here, and they're making this nice and smooth. And yeah, that looks like it for now.